This is students October 1943 variant question number 3 we have here. And first of all, their unknown values are there, 3 box empty, 3 marks. So what is a simple method? You will replace this -1 in all values. But you know what students do mistake normally they mistake what they type like this. So this is a mistake. If you type this way, you will get an error because what is logic? -1 to power 2, this way you get a -1, but -1 to power 2 in bracket, you get a +1. So that is why this is a wrong and this is a right. So I mean to say you have to plug in put the brackets compulsory. These brackets are compulsory. Especially the even powers bracket is very important. Odd power, if you don't write, no problem. But better to make a habit of taking the bracket with every value. Anyway, so when I replace it, I get what I'm typing parallelly with me, and I'm getting here 5 answer sums. So if I plug in this answer, look at it, this is becoming -1, this is becoming +1, this is becoming +5. So 5 is coming answer. So this above working, you show, you don't show, no problem at all. And how to plug in this one? So again, I'm plugging this value there, 1 to power 3 plus 1 to power 2 and -5 times to 1. 1 plus 1 -5. So short story, I'm getting -3. So last value. So when I plug in the other value, top one, the 3, again, the place of here. So let's see. Y equal to 3 to power 3 and plus 3 to power 2 and -5 times 2, 3. So here 27, here I get 9, here 15. So 27 plus 9, 27 plus 9 and -15. I get 21. So I hope so all understanding. I repeat my words, is above working, you show somewhere here, or if somewhere you show or don't show, no problem at all, because 3 marks for it. So let's
So I'm
talk
getting
about,
everything.
uh, so let's start. Let's complete the question. And what is the most important part in chapter of graph function? I say that vital and most important, and that is scale deciding. Sale. How to scale deciding? The formula is I'm writing here: value divided by number of boxes. Number of boxes. Very important formula. Very important criteria. For example, along x-axis, see what is this value? 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, or you take from here, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is called value. So value is 1, and number of boxes, how many count? Let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 divided by 10, I got a what? 0.1. So it means one small box equal to 0.1 is a very important criteria you have to write. Must write here. This is not for examiner, for you. Okay, come back the other one. Along y-axis. Along y-axis, students, what is the value here? 5 minus 0 is 5. By boxes, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So by 10. So when I type it there, by 10, I get 0.5. So I'm writing along y-axis that one small box equal to 0.5, and naturally two small box will be, okay, Hamza, it means it'll give you zero point 0.1. So, no, sorry, I will get a sharp 1. Why? Because if you multiply zero point 0.5 into 2, you can check in calculator even, you get a 1. So one small box in short story, I'm writing here, one box equal this, and two small boxes equal to 1. I hope so this scale will help us a lot. In this way, the chances of mistake reduces, inshallah. Okay, because rest whole question. Look at here. This is a 1 mark, 3, 4, 4 to 6 marks on this page, 6 marks on this page, 6 marks depending upon this 4 marks. So you have to sketch very carefully. Let's start sketching this. I mean drawing, not sketch, sorry, drawing. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Drawing means accurate. X value -3, Y value -3. So let's start. And best technique, you can label with a pencil even, because I said that one box is 0.5 and two box is equal to 2 box is equal to 1. So where is, there is -1, this is a -2, this is -3, this is a -4 and -5. So -3 is here. And this, look at here, this is a x -3, this is a y -3. Where the meet? The meet here. Okay. So I repeat again, where the meet, I repeat again. It come from here. This line come from here, and this is the meeting point. So I hope so you got a point what I'm saying. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. See how accurate I plotted. Let's go for next part. Next part, x is minus 2, y plus 6. X is minus 2, y plus 6. X is minus 2 is this. Where's 6? 2 box above is 6. There's 6. So come from here and come from here. This meeting point. This meeting point. So I'm going to make it here. So this point is my target. I hope so clear. Let's go for next part. This is a little hard now. Negative 1.5, 6.4. Negative 1.5x and 6.4 y is y. So 1.5, 6.4. 1.5 here and 6.4 is where? For your knowledge, this is 6, this is 7. So 6.4 is close to 6.5. So I'll take somewhere in the middle here. So it means 6.5 is slightly, I'll make it slightly below, no problem, because this is 6.4. So come from here. Wait a minute. From here and from here. I believe you understood what I'm saying, 6.4. So see how much I'm trying to make it accurate. So you can see from here. So let me make it, my make check again. See, look, I try my best to make it very, very accurate. Okay, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. You want to keep the values here? No problem, because I will not mind. So let's start. Next is negative 1 and 5. X is minus 1 and y value is 5. So negative 1, 5, negative 1 and 5. So it's so easy point, x is 1, 5. With the meet, this is the meeting point. So I'm writing it now. So this point is very clear. And let's talk about the next one, 0, 0. X0, Y0. So the easiest point here. And let's go for the other one. X is 1, y is minus 3. X is 1, y minus 3. X is 1 is here, minus 3 is here. So this is the point. I believe you're understanding what is going on. And then x is 1.5 and y is negative 1.9. Negative 1.9 is close to 2. Okay. But anyway, negative 1.5 and negative 2. 1.5, negative 1, sorry, 1.5 is here and negative 2 is here, just slightly below. So it means slightly below. Look at here. Is 1.5 from here and negative 2 from here. So I hope so this point is very clear. So I get this point which I labeled. Okay. Now what about the next part? Next is 2, 2. X is 2, y positive 2. Easy point. We can label easily. Where is x2 is here, but where's y2? As you know that I mentioned the top, 2 small box is 1. So 2 small box is 1. So this is 2 box up is 1 and here 2. And I believe you understood what I'm saying. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, see, 2 and 2. Okay. And then I go for the next part, 2.5 and 9.4. 2.5 and 9.4. 9.54 is close to 9.5. So 2.5 and 9.4. 2.5 is where? 2.5 is here. Okay. Where is 9.5? There's a 9, there's a 10, and 9.5. 9.5 is here. Here, 9.5. But I'm looking for 9.4. So slightly below. Slightly below. So I think the point is very clear. So I am right, I'm erasing it. Okay, done. Last part, 321. X is 3, y 21. X3 is at the boundary limit here, boundary point. And 21 is where? So 2 box above is 21 here. So I hope so the point is very clear. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And I tell you one thing. When you have this kind of curve, I'm going to make it. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Here is a very important point I'm going to discuss with you. You know what student points? Some student join directly like that, like this. This is a total wrong. Total wrong. Then what is the right way? The right way is not this way. The right way is you have to make a smooth curve. Smooth. How to make a smooth curve? So you will make this free hand. Okay, look at here. Naturally, it's not a straight. No. It's small banding. See? And now I'm showing the other banding. Don't join straight. No. Slightly, I believe you got the point. I'm start showing small bend. Even this one, not straight. Oh, sorry, this is not wrong. This point will go the region. You see, it's small bending there, okay? And now what is the other point? Other point is, 1 minute, point negative 0.0 is not there? Not there, okay. Now I go for these next points. Again, don't join straight like that. Wrong, it's the wrong joining. Sorry, I am trying to make it accurate. I think now okay. And now you see, I'm showing some bend. There's no problem. And here I can make it a. It's a little hard because points are far away. So remove the pencil and then make it. Okay, I hope so you got it well. And I discussed before, I repeat again. Whenever x square positive, point positive, we have this kind of curve. When you have a negative x square, we have this kind of curve. And what is the power? One turning point, one less turning point, power 2, one turning point. If we have an x cube positive comes, we have this kind of curve. And when you have a negative x cube comes, we have this kind of turning points. Okay, so this is a way basically. Basically, you can see even here, look at here, this x square positive. And see, there is a this kind of curve we have, okay? So if you make it this minus outside x square, graph will turn like that, okay? So I hope so the point is very clear. Let's talk about the next part. Up till now, 7 marks in hand, 3 marks for the table and 4 marks for the this sketch drawing, okay? 7 marks are confirmed. This is such a topic which give marks very easily. Now, how to deal this kind of question? But before, I will just write equation. What equation is? Y is equals to x cube plus x square minus 5x. Now, this equation is going to be very, very important. And get ready. I have to drag it below because I need it. Okay. So, okay, so this equation is very, very important. Why important? I'm going to show you now. Okay, because now every time when how many parts I'll solve here, here, or here, even especially these 2 parts, I will take a help from here. Get ready. Is this x cube match? Yes, it matches. Is x square matches? Yes, matches. This yes, fully match. Fully match means this fully equal to that way, and I can say there's a y equal to 0. And y equal to 0 is mean where curve in intersects x-axis. Because all of you know this is a equation of the x-axis. I'm writing it more separately here. Is y equals to 0. Okay, this is a y equal to 0, and this is a x is equal to 0. Anyway, so it is intersecting here, here. 3 points. One is 0 for sure. This point is very important. And now if you have a scale, your scale is very, very important because one scale says 1 box 0.1. So here, what is a 2? There's a 2, 1 box back, 1.9, 1 box back, 1.8. So I have 3 answers, 1.8 for sure, then 0. And what is this negative answer? So this is approximately 2 box back from 3, 2.9, 2.8. So negative 2.8. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So I believe you got a point very, very clear. 2 marks for this whole working. You see? So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, nothing hard. Now draw a suitable tangent is a very, very interesting, mostly come in a frequently come in exam papers. Find the estimate the gradient at an x is 2. What say? Point again, x is 2. So and gradient formula, all of you know y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it means I need 2 points. If I don't have 2 points, I can't solve my question. So 2. So 1.2 I will use definitely. X is 2 coming here, but why I don't know. So that 2 I can find easily. I plug in that equation, or maybe against 2 I have. Yes, against 2, the y value is 2. So at least one value, when I plug in 2 in the equation, I will get 2. So 1 point is for confirm. Okay, second point I don't know. I will find. But first of all, draw a suitable tangent. He said draw, not sketch. So let's see. 2. Where's x2, students? X2 is here. So go from here up, 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 and stop. Reason, I got a curve. At this point of curve, which is luckily mentioned by this point, okay, I will draw a tangent. And look, the way of drawing tangent is a very important skill, okay. And what is method? I will take a scale such a way that it should touch only in that particular point only. Let's start. I think I should take a red color. See, where is touching? It is touching slightly above, not sharp 2. So I think I should take another chance. Where is touching? Is it touching? We can say at 2. Yeah, it's slightly touch. Exactly. So this is a better opinion. This is a better way. Okay. And I think so. You understood well. Now take any 2 points. So 1 point is very clear. Is this one? I'm taking 2, 2. And one any other point. I think this is a point is also very helpful. Why? Because at this point, y is very short. You know what is my habit? Okay, I show you what I like. You know, when I draw this kind of line, because y is for sure -5. And what is x? X is this one, 1.4. Or even I can take this point, even this point. And x is 3 for sure. Why 3 for sure? See, x is 3 for sure. So one whole number, one decimal number. And what is this? This must be carefully, we take it, because we know that 2 box of 11, 12, 13. I think it's almost 13. So 13. So 313. You take any point. You take this with this. You take this with this. You take this with this. No effect is coming. So I take 313. Okay. 313 I take. I'm avoiding the negative values. Have a look, please. What is formula now? I label it here. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. In this way, chance of mistake reduces. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the gradient is becoming, is 2 gone, so 11. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, so gradient is equals to 11. It is a range. Let me tell you one thing. Even these values range in a mark scheme, they're not exact numbers, okay? So don't worry. Maybe in range, in mark scheme 10, 11, 12, all values, maybe 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So don't worry about that. How to deal this kind of question? Very interesting question going to come. So is this x cube match? Yes, it matches. Is x squared match? Yes, matches. Is -5 match? Yes, matches. So this full equals to y. So it means y equal to k, done. Because if this is y and this is k, done. So 3 solutions. Let me write a statement, read statement. But before I start, I want to teach one concept here. Very important concept. This is called y equal to 0, students. And if line goes through 1, look at here. This is 1. How I know? Because this cutting at 1. So student is what student can say here. This is y equal to 1. It cutting the curve. How many spots? So 2 spots. So this line has a 2 solutions. But when y is equal to 1 has no solution, 0 solution. No. Why? Because this line is not cutting the curve. Okay, this line is cutting the curve. How many spots? Again, y equal to 2. Also two solutions. You can see. So 2 solutions. So even this also equation y equal to k, y is equal to 6. Also we have a, so how many cutting intersecting the curve is called solutions. Okay. So it maybe curve can touch and go like that. Wait a minute, I make again. Okay. If this point we note it down, so 0.2467. So 0.7. So 0.7 y equal to 0.7 is we have a one solution only. Why one solution, students? Because it's touch only 1 point, not a cut many points. So I hope so point is very clear. For example, in this kind of diagram, what is the technique? I just show you. You'll understand, inshallah, I believe on it, okay? For example, Yes, students, I was discussing that. Look at here. This curve is this line y equal to 12 is cutting at one point. So it has one solution. Through 8, y equal to k, y is equal to 8. It means k value is 8. Okay. Again, it has one solution. But if line go touch and cut like that, it has two solutions. But in the middle here, it go through 4. So it's cutting and at 3 points, so 3 solutions. So I hope so clear. And at 0, y equal to 0, here 0, y equal to 0, it is cutting only 1 point. So it has again one solution. So it can be one solution, 2 or 3 in cubic equation. Whenever highest power is x3 coming in the question, like this is a highest power x3. If x2 coming, so we have 2 possibilities, 3 possibilities. What 3 possibilities? For no solution, for one solution, and for 2 solution. I hope so point is clear. So let's come back to our question. Our question is what he's saying. He's saying y equal to k, 100%, you know it, very clear. When y equal to k comes or y equal to any number come, y equal to 0, y equal to 5, y equal to 10, y equal to -5. So these lines are 100% parallel to x-axis for sure. So it means this line is 100% parallel to x-axis, and write down the largest value of k. Like k can have many values of k, but I'm looking for the largest value where we have 3 solutions. 3 solutions. Let's start with 3 solutions. Look at here. If I draw a line through 10, it will cut blue curve and leave 1 point. It's called one solution. If I drag this line below, even I draw here, for example, even here, okay, it cut and touch. So 2 solutions. But he said no, 3 solutions. So let's see. This number is 6. You know it very well, students. This is 6.5. At 6.5, we have 2 solutions. Look, I want to show you. Inshallah, I believe you will understand, inshallah. See, blue 1 cut and 1 touch. So this red line has 2 solutions at 6.5. But we have to take integers. Okay, so let's start integers. And okay, if line go through 6, it cut. So it has 3 solutions. And let's see, it means through 6, through 5, it also have 3 solutions. Okay, what about 4? 4, if line go through 4, is also 3 solutions. I think you got to get in the point. But there are many points. Even -2, I can show you -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So among these all numbers, what is the largest number? So largest number is 6, which giving us 3 solutions. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. I hope so. So k value 6 because y equal to 6 make it 3 solutions, and the concept is totally